Hi there! Today we are comparing the Wylde Audio Mini amplifier with the Marshall Zakk Wylde Mini. Both are compact amplifiers but built a bit differently. Now let's hear how they sound.
For this demo I'm running both amps into a 4x12 Cathedral cab loaded with V30s and ET90s. It's mic'd with a halo dynamic microphone straight into my interface, using Sommer Cables throughout.
The Wylde Audio feels a bit tighter and more aggressive, while the Marshall has a classic feel to it. I'm curious what you think about it, so let me know in the comments below. Thank you all for watching and until next time, bye bye.